Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're going to be looking at the Esydon, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, it's not Esydon, but it's got to be Esydon, electronic digital caliper, and 3 reasons why you need this item. Number 1, it's going to help you get accurate measurements. There's 2 different ways you can measure with this. If you're measuring like the inside diameter or distance of something, then you will use the jaws up top. If you're measuring the outside diameter, then you will use the one at the bottom, because that's you'll be able to more quickly position that against it. Point number 2, this comes with a storage case, as you can see, and extra batteries, and as we all know, you can't have too many batteries. And point 3, you will see the button label on there called 0. Anytime I start a measurement, even if I've just gotten through doing one, I bring the caliper all the way back together and press 0, because there's a possibility that your measurements might be a tad off. So better safe than sorry. I just re-zero, because you can never zero it enough, and that way you've got things as accurately as you can do them, and you should be all set to go. So look at getting one of these today, and I think you'll be very happy with it.